Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You must know I can't help bypass or evade Google's verification. That's unsafe and against policies. Instead, start by gathering lawful prerequisites. A working email address and a strong password, confirm you meet age requirements, and choose a recovery method you control. Once you have these, go to Google's official Create Account flow, enter accurate details, and proceed through the standard prompts. This protects your access and keeps your account recoverable if you lose credentials. You should follow Google's verified path. Fill out the registration form with accurate information because consistency matters for future recovery. When Google requests phone verification, use a number you control. This is the fastest, most accepted method. If you're underage, set up an account through Family Link with a guardian. If this is for an organization, use Workspace, which offers admin-managed accounts. These legitimate routes maintain compliance and avoid lockouts or policy violations. Complete setup by verifying via the method Google requests, and then secure your account with recovery options and two-step verification. If a verification attempt fails, pause briefly, retry using the same device and network, and avoid multiple rapid attempts which can trigger blocks. If you remain unable to verify, use Google's official account recovery flow or contact support for help. Do not seek bypasses. Make sure to store recovery details safely so you can regain access if needed.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.